Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Peacock TV website, from which after entering your password you will be logged in. After logging into your account, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose who is watching. From this page, tap on account at the top right corner once again and you will be taken into your account settings. From this page, tap on settings and you will be able to change your account holder name. Just tap on update account holder option and you will be able to change the name for your account holder by simply typing in your desired first and your last name. After typing in your name, click on the update account holder button and this will update the account holder name on Peacock TV. And now your account holder name has been changed. You can come back to this menu at any time and click on the update button and change your name as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account holder name on Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.